in there.
So the wax paper keeps it from sticking, and we're going to take it out while it's burning hot. Don't burn yourself. I should be telling you that you made wedding cakes for a living.
It's amazing how people give you advice, and you've lived it for so long that, you know, it'd just be like me telling you to do something in karate.
Tell me to do a kick different?
Yeah.
Make sure you pivot that foot when you kick, Chris.
See,
Thanks, Granny.
I think you need to do that, you know, because what if it don't turn out right, see? And you'll say, Granny, trust me, it'll turn out right. 'Cause I do it all the time.
Yeah.
Now, I've got to get...
So we're going to lift it out. Where are we going to put it?
No, we're going to get... And it's not easy because it'll be okay for you.
How are you going to get it out, though?
Well, you're just going to turn it upside down.
Upside down.
On here.
Oh, wow.
And this is heavy. And I did it last week. But because we're going to cut it, it's going to cool. And we're going to put this over on the table then, you know.
Okay.
But
So the whole thing, you want me to lift it up?
But I'm going to put some wax paper down.
On the thing, and
On
then
here.
flip it upside down,
Yes, sir.
and then flip the whole thing down with hot mittens.
Right.
And then let it
You're
sit
gonna do it.
somewhere.
I
Sit
did
somewhere
it
with
and
no
I
wax
almost
paper.
dropped it.
And you let it sit without wax paper, right?
No, I'm going to put wax